What's going on YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2015 Infiniti Q50. So basically you want to come over here to the passenger side glove box. I always pull the glove box down, take the stuff out of the glove box so it doesn't end up falling down anyway. And at the bottom there's one clip right in there, down there, and the same thing on this side is right back there. What I like to do, I'm gonna set this up so you guys can see. Let's see. Come on, little stand. Okay, that looks good. What I like to do is I position my hand underneath the glove box and I pull up like that on that clip and then on that clip. The glove box will drop right down just like that. And you can see right here, and I'll show you a little closer where that actually comes down at right there, connects there, and then one over here. So then you get into there and there's just this cover right here. There's a little fitting right here for you to just get in there and pry it back just like that. You got those three clips that fit in up there and those that go down. And then this is the actual cover right here. You just pull this up and slide forward and it comes out of there. And that's the cabin filter sitting right back in there. So you're gonna wanna install just how it comes out, and there's arrows that show you which way the airflow is going. So we're gonna install the same way it comes out. Take that, comes right out of there, filthy. And we install the new one. Just like that. Now we take the cover and we slide these prongs. This has to go up. Come on. There we go. Once you slide those prongs in over there, and you can kind of see the prongs going there, and you just take this and you press that back. And that's how you install that piece. And you take this piece that you previously came and you go bottom side first, so you fit that in just like that. And there you go. Did that clip into place? Please, so let's double check. Yep, there we go. And that clips right into place. And then that's where that's gonna sit. So those are the little prongs. And then you have these right here. So these are gonna sit right on there, the same thing as on that other side. So I pick it up and I install that side and then that side. Let's get this situated. Okay, there we go. So again, I pick the glove box up and I make sure I see where those are sitting. And once I set those in the proper spot, first you gotta put this over here and that over there. And then you guide those in the right spot. Once those go in the right spot, you hear it click. And that's how you install a cabin filter on a 2015 Infiniti Q50. Now, when you're not recording, it's honestly under a 3-minute process. If I helped you guys out and you like it, please like the video, subscribe if you like, and have a good day.